Welcome guys, Cream Boss back again with another reaction video to Little Mix feat. Camille More Than Words official music video. So we're gonna check this out. I never heard about this Camille before, so we're gonna check this out and see what's going on.
When you think you're alive, on a beat like a ghost behind you.
Ooh.
When you're down, and you can't
I like how
find
Jade
things
here
to
looking.
say, you know I give my words to you. When the seasons change and the sun shines on you.
Oh my god. Pure voice, bruh. Pure voice sound so smoothing, relaxing. Oh my god. That's the pitch and everything that sounds so good. Oh my god. Listen to that, bruh. And Jessie voice. Oh my, these girls are amazing. Amazing. Even Camila, this girl voice sounds so nice too. Like it complement what's going on. It's been what 35 seconds and I'm already loving their voices. With this song, sounds so good.
It's true. You know I do. Oh, I need you more than words can
Ooh,
say.
damn.
Oh, you save me in ways that I can't explain.
I like how this video is not too over the top. It's kind of just simple with the girls in black and white and the coloration in the background. Very simple, but it's send a powerful message because the song sounds so good. You're not distracted by the music video itself. You're really focused on the music. And that's the whole point, bro. This music sounds so good. I'm not gonna lie.
Always been there for me, now do the same. Oh, I need you more than words can say.
She need you more than words can say. Oh, Leanne, let's get it. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, that's so like Rihanna. That flow, it sounded like a Rihanna flow to me a while ago. That was sick.
You turn the disaster into a dream, gave me the power, made my life run up.
Ooh.
Well, I'm trying to bring us sweet from magic, and we crossed through every line.
You know what, guys? One of the things why Little Mix are so great at what they do is because their voices are so different. Meaning, I think because they are British, you know, British people can speak in like the British English, and yeah, and I know that I heard them speaking like Americans are speaking Caribbean, so they have all different type of way of speaking. So they actually project that in their singing, so they can literally change their voices in multiple different ways. So that's the thing why I feel that British singers, because British singers are actually really good singers. Ed Sheeran, Stormzy, all of them, Adele, most of them are such awesome, unbelievable singers because I feel like that reason. They cannot literally change up their voices. Damn, listen to that voice, man. Oh my god, so good.
You know I do. Oh, I need you more than words can say. Oh, you save me in ways I can't explain. Always been there for me, now do the same. Oh, I need you more than words can say.
Yo, I love this song, bruh. That's the energy in it. It just give me a pump. Oh, and congratulations to Leanne on her engagement. Congratulations again, Leanne, on your engagement. Some Michael Jackson flaring right there. I feel some Janet Jackson type of flaring going on right there in the rain. Honest to God. Words can say. Wait. I'm gonna say. Think you need it more than words can say. Dude, I'm trying. I'm trying, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I love this song. The music video wasn't all that, but the song is a powerful message, bro. The song was so good, especially the voices were so. Especially when the first part when Pierre chipped in with her voice. Damn, that was honest to God. Oh, Pierre voice just hit me. It literally grabbed my heart a little bit, bro. I was like fretting because my heart was squeezing too much, and I was like trying to breathe slowly. I don't know if you guys see it in the camera, but that what reached me. Honest to God, their voices were so good, and I like how as I said, I like how they did the music video. Not too over dramatic, just simple, black and white, girls, and the color in the background. Very, very simple. This video was like so minimum. It was like crazy. One of the low budget video I ever see them make. I'm not gonna lie. That will show you how small it was. But the song was so good. I think one of the best songs ever. But anyway, guys, this is the end of the reaction video. Peace out. Enough love.